How to set up your after-hours alerts. This new and exciting feature gives you the ability to be notified if your device moves outside of designated working hours. For example, you can be notified if your trailer is ever moved at night. To set this up, go to Settings, After-Hour Settings, select your device. Now you will set your working hours. You can customize the days and times, or select all days or weekdays only. Here, I'm selecting weekdays and setting my working hours from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. This means Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., my device is typically in use. I will be notified if there is any event outside of these designated working hours. You can ignore the bottom settings for now. These are more advanced settings that will not apply to the typical use case. Once your hours are set up, select Alerts. Click on After Hours Movement. Click Apply. Then click Submit. Your settings have been saved and the alerts are turned on. Now we have to double check that our email and text messages are already set up. So close out of this, then go to Settings, Alert Contacts, select email or phone number, put in your phone number, select your carrier, then click Add Phone Number. You can add your email as well. Click Add Email, and then close. Now you are all set to receive notifications if your device moves outside of those designated hours.